Important you know the number of questions you should expect as a JAMB candidate. You know, it is important to know, okay, you are writing 4 subjects, use of English is compulsory. What are the number of questions that will come out in physics, chemistry, maybe commerce, economics, IRS, CRS? What in each of those subjects, what kind of questions, what number of questions will come out from these? These are the things, the main concept we'll be looking at in this video, right? So I want you to pay attention and watch this video from beginning to the end. At the end of this video, if you watch from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB pass questions from me. You will qualify to get free JAMB pass question. You also qualify to get free JAMB syllabus from me. So let's look at the number of questions you should expect as a JAMB candidate. So how many questions will JAMB set this year, this particular year, this coming JAMB? How many questions will JAMB considering to set? The answer is JAMB sets a total of 180 questions. JAMB does what? Sets a total of 180 questions. So I want that to live in your mind. Have it at the back of your memory. You are going to answer 180 questions. It's not going to be easy. Now, use of English, which is compulsory, we have 60 questions. Use of English will carry what? 60 questions. All others are 40 questions. Use of English is compulsory. It comes with 60 questions. That is why you need to pay attention to use of English and also pay attention to the novel. If you recall, in our channel, we have been doing reviews of and expo questions on the book Lekki Headmaster because it is a compulsory part of use of English. It's not something you can run away from. So English language, use of English is 60 questions. Mathematics 40, chemistry 40, agri-science 40, biology 40, commerce 40, physics 40, government 40 questions. Okay, are you following? Remember I said JAMB says a total of 180 questions. Use of English is 60 questions. Other subjects is 40 questions each. Commerce 40, physics 40, government 40, Christian religious studies 40, Islamic religious studies 40, economics 40, computer science 40, principle of accounts 40, PHE, that's physics and health education 40, geography 40, and every other subject. It is 40 questions that will come out in them. However, use of English is unique because it comes with a novel. Therefore, it will carry 60 questions. Do you understand? I am seriously preparing you for this exam because last year there was a lot of failure in JAMB, and our goal in this channel, Noble Tutorials, is to ensure that everybody watching our videos and following this Noble Tutorial seriously, you will not score less than 300. My target is 300 and above. I don't know if you are claiming it. Have you claimed it? Claim it. Type under the comments and say, I claim it. I claim it. If you claim that you will score at least 300 and above in your JAMB, tell me. In fact, also claim it and tell me the particular score you are claiming and targeting. Right? Okay. So, how many minutes per question? So, when it comes to answering the question, how many minutes do you have to answer? Since you have 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, to answer 180 questions, you have less than 1 minute per question. So let me ask you, I want you to do the calculation and tell me in the comment section. If you have 180 questions and you have just 2 hours to answer, how many seconds do you have to answer one question? If you have 180 questions and 2 hours to answer, how many seconds do you have for one question? You have 180 questions and you have 2 hours. How many seconds do you have for each question? This is very, very important. Calculate it Where are my science students and math students? Even if you're art, calculate and tell me in the comment section. UTME is a computer-based examination. You will answer 4 subjects relevant to your desired course of study. So you will be answering 4 subjects. That's why you need to be careful with the subjects you are choosing. Your subject combination is very, very, very important. I've done a video on the proper way for your subject combination depending on your subject. I've done for nursing, every course you want to study, right? The exam lasts for 2 hours, and there will be a calculator in your computer for the subjects that demand some calculations, right? So it is not paper and pen. You are not using your paper and your pen. Remember, the exam will last for only 2 hours. You are writing 4 subjects, and you are writing 180 questions in all. So I've attached a video for you. Easy way to get your JAMB profile code. If you have not gotten your JAMB profile code, I will attach this video somewhere. You just need to watch it. It's not something complex. The best way to go about answering question. What is the best way? This 120 question. Number 1, filling all details carefully. When you are giving the computer, when you're working, filling all your details carefully. Read the instructions thoroughly. Ensure you don't start rushing into the question. Read the instructions, read the questions, read the instructions carefully. Start with your strongest subject. Start with the subject that you are more competent in, the subject that is easier for you. Among those 4 subjects you'll be writing, start with your strongest subject. Avoid spending too much time on any single question. That is why you need to prepare. If you prepare hard, then these things wouldn't be difficult for you. So avoid concentrating only on one question. If you read a question and you know you don't know this one, go to the next one, because immediately you on the computer, your time will start ticking. And once the 2 hours elapses, the system will shut down. Manage your time wisely using the provided timer in the CBT, in the computer. Your timer, once you enter your details and start, the timer will start reading, right? So enter your details correctly. Start with your strongest subject, the subject you know very well. Then don't spend too much time on any question, because you have less than 1 minute. I would have told you the number of seconds, but I want you to type it for me. You have less than 1 minute to answer each question. So if you have not gotten your JAMB e-pin, I've attached a video for you. Go and watch it, right? Correct subject combination for all your courses. I've done a video on it. Go and watch it, right? How do you answer UTME question? Ensure you fill on the necessary, all the details required. Read the instruction. Start with the easiest subject. That is what I've told you. Avoid spending too much time on each question. Keep an eye on your timer to manage your time effectively. This one is not like the exam you wrote while writing WAEC or your normal secondary school exam. No, this one comes with a timer. In fact, it's in your computer and it will be reading, right? So if you have not watched this video on how to fill your JAMB form correctly, please don't make those mistakes that others are making. Watch this video, how to fill your JAMB form correctly without any mistake. If you have any question to ask me, feel free to ask me. Now, if you want to get your free JAMB test question, if you want to get your free JAMB syllabus, do these things now. Join our YouTube channel. You can see an option to join. Just go ahead and join. The second thing to do is to like this video. Just click on like this video. The third thing to do is to share this video. Just click on share, copy the link, share on WhatsApp, on Facebook and Instagram and all the platforms you are in, with the WhatsApp groups you are in for JAMB candidates. Then just share so that more people will watch. Then the last and most important thing is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, click on subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, when you do that, you will automatically qualify to get these materials I promise to give you free. So when you subscribe, when you share, when you join, when you like this video, come under this video, this particular video, on the comment and tell me, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Just tell me, I have subscribed. Once you tell me I have subscribed, I will send those materials to you. This video on the screen, click on it and watch now.